Handicap 26 here, just appears in hobbies, and we've got this guy. Uh-oh. He's a mean guy, and we're gonna paint him white. Okay. And we're gonna get the dryer out here. This dryer is something I picked off of Amazon. It's a small mini blow dryer. You plug it in. Like that. Turn it on. I'm going to dry them up. This figure is no means any thing against my subscribers or anybody else, so don't take offense by it. It's just a figure that I found on Maker World. So we're going to dry up this paint a little bit here. And this does quick work of it. Don't use a heat gun. Use a blow dryer. Even a bigger one. You could use a bigger one if you want. This will set the paint in and get it ready for a second coat. Okay. Makes quick work of it. So that should be enough. And we got a little piece right here. I got to break off. And right in here. See if we can get that out of there. There we go. Let's go back to this a little more. That's good. Let's grab the paint again. Give it another coat. And we're putting a little more thinner in here. This is a mixture of glycerin, Windex, and deionized water and alcohol to make that. Search my channel for that thinner. I'm going to put a drop of paint in here. Running out of white paint, guys. Put that over there. And we're going to mix it up. Like this. This is a square brush I'm using to mix the paint and get it nice and milky. Okay. Turn that off, that noisy thing. Put that over there, and we got this little holder here to hold the brush for now. You just hit this with some heat. We may go over it a few spots like the hands with paint or the brush. We may. I don't know. Maybe the top here. Okay, let's put this to the side and pull this box away. Put the box over there. And we got to dump this paint back in the container. So we're going to put that in there like that. Put that in there like that. Cap this off. And we're gonna put some water in here. Let it sit. And put that over there. Let that sit. Doing a few things all at once here, guys, just to get it done. Okay, so we're gonna grab this brush and put this over here. I'm gonna grab this palette. Just putting a little paint on the palette. I got this brush right here, and it's Red Sable from Blick, and I'm not sure of the number on it, but it's a good one. Pick up some paint here. I do with the eyes here. Okay, like that. Like that. A little highlight in the mouth. Right down and deep in the mouth here. Just to give it a ghostly effect. Okay. Like that. And he's done. Okay. Put that in there. Put that off to the side. The ghost is all done. He's a rowdy little guy. I hope you like this video. I hope you rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.